Savage moves. What if? What if umuva azange akhule? What if nigga I'm the only option that you had ibikuphandela iholidi? What if kulo mculo zange ufunde? What if ibikuziqhatha uyikude? What if time I never died ngeba ndisacula kungcola iphepha ngale pen? What if you are the great and awuyazi? What if you are the answer of your fam, not the answer G Black? While you chance under the rap, there voices in my head, sitting pandelwa ngibani, and it's time take charge, uyofuna le mali. It's like, is the way your heart uyibona kanjani? What if heaven and hell in my brain manyani? What if bense ityhaki nangoku meantime I down bilo lithumbe lobofu? What if I never got that ID? What if I never stole that money? Moving like a bee, busy producing the honey. What if I was an engineer, I funny, cause they took me funny? What if nobody listened to my shit? What if I gotta get another shit? What if I never hopped on a show? Got mistake a see and born, I'm looking for a blow. What if my man in Funi needs time I never had a wheel, I know being so squealy. What if Basleko Sangohili, God would you protect 2,000 in the morning? What if I never read the Bible? See me as a sign or you take as a disciple. What if Lamanaba Wakapoli turn into a drunkard, Bulawe Yimbombi? What if Nachuzurob and Bessie Schooly, Lingam Kelimekon Ketulekoni Noni? What if they never said I sell drugs? Gab I'm still good, never had to victimize. Gab I'm still cool, they never realized. Lap I'm still woo when it comes to dropping mice. Not a bad dude, I am just cutting ties and lies. Beef number fries. What if